Okay, well, you're welcome to the Fat Show with Blowman. I go by the name Blowman. Ebusian say tenase say dia say na mo monitor say ensema trendy with social media no so ana ye de bremo. For a couple of days now, Akabenezer has been trending and people are talking a whole lot about him. Akabenezer, the entire Akabenezer trendy see na medimu nchiremu ebebro. There have been a narrative say the Kumawood movie collapsed for Akabenezer and saying because at the moment Kumawood the bar form no and then you say Akabenezer and so pricey though now the name formally rasnene no na very loud na that talkability no because na yehwe Kumawood movies na ono tutu shefo anase fumia sometimes Nigerian guy a friend is akodi na omo partner omo na movie mu ewudie ne nsemone a ekoso nyina no omo na ne play that role. So Akabenezer any name Kumawood movies mu oni name as the rascal guy a owo movie mu eban share yenkunipa yemtwantro like yempopo ye need that kind of ghetto lifestyle zongo lifestyle na yenim say Akabenezer ewu Kumawood movie biem ene eba say undi ubone dia ye nyina yinitia obeye ne pepe but emra Kumawood eba form no ye hu say Akabenezer ashase. For me, I stand to be corrected. It was YouTube. I think the first video that I watched, was Akabenezer and AJ Pretty, and I say omucha that skit, Ligon. I hope you do remember that kind of skit, and me hunu ohieni ba a channel. So the very day that I saw that skit, I was very amazed. I was like, Akabenezer, the Akabenezer that we know, and as you see, our share comedy aspect in us, and nobody knew say Akabenezer has that kind of comedy vibes, And kakra, there was an interview series of interviews or say even his own colleagues, Kumawood colleagues, players, movie players, be Timmy friend Charlie. Aduwe we emfa. So you need to quit because you have been pictured as the rascal guy, the mafia guy in every Kumawood movie. So this new initiative that you are venturing into, I think say wow, that was the industry players in Biana ayana eka sansem ne channel. So or say obusa ebi mi say na uye den hu video na ema enti wo ka say chem no so mi hu ni YouTube ana ka bi channel ho say wetimi ehu no YouTube dia meaning say adena me no eco viral because I never sent you that video no nti say wetimi ehu no YouTube dia meaning say wo na we hu na foforo so we hu nti I will still keep on doing that kind of comedy skit no money ade ebusia ye nyina ye nim say kasa wo hye bibia se foforo abembu ebeba. The only thing me I have something and it's part of my ethics in life. Say when I start something be na say me hwe na say ade no enye negative vibe and I say enye ade a ebe say my brabo no money ade a I don't give a damn about your negativity. Criticisms na ebeba no there might be positive criticisms, there might be negative criticisms. Just pick up the positive ones, then you move on. At the end of the day, say ebe puti food on your table. I'm already there. There is no way, no amount of words be anywhere. Obi beka e was say ebu abem, and I say editor from the good thing that you are doing. And through that, Akabenezer have strived through this whole comedy skit with YouTube. And now, when we talk about YouTube King Corner, it's Akabenezer. undoubtedly is Akabenezer. And recently yani who say one Kujon Cancer Lorraine and Akabenezer, people were comparing both actors, say Sisiano, I think say Akabenezer aba be two. HSA Kumawood mudie onani keche obienu a waba between ewo movie mubiem, but you can't even YouTube no krana ono ena eda ho te ho ewo YouTube or ye recent interview on abroji 5 pack for former PR interview. That interview I was there, that was the very day you celebrating Father's Day. SG more. I know the BB to just say, she said on YouTube, the other funny song could try YouTube 50,000, which is 500 million old currency. And Charlie, this whole thing is mad. Even movie, movie, or just say, nah, a whole YouTube wabas maybe 50,000 Ghana cedis, old currency 500 million, which movie munsua you don't receive above 30,000. It's around 20,000, yeah, thereabout. You are not above 20,000. So how much more so by YouTube now because of Babaji 50,000 Ghana cedis, which is old currency 500 million. And there have been this whole narrative, and I think we the citizens or we the watchers, the audience can decide which comedian is up there. So who now be decided. Me no me decide we. I think so also now watch video is also what take you decision and now what take you stance already. And after this thing, this whole comedy skit in the blow, we have seen couple of ambassadorial deals as you see Akabenezer assigning the ama companies. I can mention few Techno Ghana. There was a malaria advert being so and I think Heaven mosquito coil and spray, and I think Mega Fortune, yeah, is an online lottery BBB, yeah. I think that's the right thing. And right now, no, Lemonade Finance. Lemonade Finance is your massive mudi they are called Lemfine. I think the very first they are all signing that deal, no, on a Jackie Apia John Dumelo, no, and a quartina table home signing that deal, na Mazadorial deal, no money ade. And your one a Lemonade Finance. A bar says your master mudi no si your move ye from Lemfine also institution and I say firm or more abroad across some parts of Europe and Africa or more honum. And you bars branding beer who be was USA, who be was Canada, and you who be was UK. Now ya branding with Akabenezer picture a trendy with social media, baby. That's the main reason why Akabenezer trending. And me home video, I was shocked. I think say the general manager posti Chichiku posti na Akabenezer nanka sanso posti on the Instagram page, and people were surprised saying from zero to become a hero, no, Charlie, it takes a whole lot of stress, like a determination. Say, I think, say, I do meet me. Nobody knows, say, Akabenezer will go this far as to say, Jackie Apia. Do you know the funny thing? Jackie Apia, John Dumelo, we have a whole lot of Ghanaian celebrities. Omunina play as an ambassador for Lemfine, but it took them to use only Akabenezer to do their bars branding. Ebusia video nina echegu no hwe. Imagine say obedu bars station UK, Canada, USA. Na bars abisi wona Akabenezer ana ya branding na obo bars no ho. So he has been trending all over the world. So bus, and these three countries that we are talking about, they are very big. Canada, UK, and remember to say UK, so consists of I think 4 countries or 5 countries. Bus in the befa baby uko American, so 50 states, befa baby Canada, and so say befa baby so Charlie, I say onyami shawa or tiasefo no yede oye kwa the baby no be. So this is a little advice that I want to share with you all. Say, regardless of the negative energy, the negative vibe that is coming your way, Biano. I have said it already. Say, when you think, say, Adena Woyeno, a positive at the mawa, never mind, never let the negative criticisms and deter you from the good thing that you are doing. Nobody knows tomorrow. And a young baby as you say Akabenezer, it's me do. Enti ebusia, without wasting much time, Sia adia a trendy ama Ghanaians dodoona any Ghanaians in the diaspora ka ho asem no. And say Akabenezer has been branded and you're placing all buses Canada, UK, and USA, and now Lemfine, formerly Lemonade Financing Tea, and Akabenezer has been trending. I go by the name Blowman, and I am your proud American blogger. Ebusia, subscribe to your YouTube channel for my macram.